before I do this, make sure you guys get an approved helmet for eye protection, ear protection, and most important, head protection. Because when you're cutting down trees, snags or widow makers is what kills people. Before I make this video, I'm not an arborist. If you want to watch an arborist, August Hunnicky. So I'm just going to make a little video for you. I'm going to cut up that for y'all. I may or may not fell some. That thing's completely dead and rotted. And what I was going to use is my Husqvarna 455 wrencher. This is not a high-end saw. It's like 450 bucks, if you're wondering. Everybody always asks, I never tell you prices. It's like 450. The price is close. Or was it? Yeah, it don't matter. I think that's about right at a dealer. I think they'll give you a better deal. It's got a 20-inch bar. And then here's my 50cc Poulan Pro. Okay, first thing you want to do in this instance, and again, I'm not an instructor. Whatever I'm saying to you is entertainment purposes only. I don't want to be responsible for anything. Cut up your workspace. Clear up your workspace. I guess I can record a cold start for y'all here. And we'll cut right here. We'll start. Let's set the tripod up. Yeah. The chain is pretty dull, but we're going to use it. Okay. This ain't been started since the last tree job I had. It usually does pretty good. Ow. I just stepped on my foot. All right. That's all you're getting right now for this one. It's chipping nicely, that chain. It's still dull. Boy, that new Poulan chain. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and cut this whole thing up on video. It's not happening. It's not happening today. We're just playing. Let's go cut a tree down, shall we? I'll be right back. I'll walk over and we'll move you somewhere. We'll see what we can do. Well, I'm gonna cut this up a little bit to remain a path. So let's go ahead and buck this up a few times. I'll let y'all watch that too. Are you still recording? Yeah. Go ahead and buck one went the other way. I'm so stupid. You would think I would lay them both together, but I don't want to spend. I got a tractor here with a bucket and a backhoe, so I can just come back out here later, chop it up and bucket it and put it over there out of the way. So if you don't have a tractor and it's not at your house and you're doing it for money, you need to do it the fastest way. This is the Jared at my house way. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that thing is so freaking strong. It's 55cc. No, it's not the biggest and the best, because I don't need the biggest and best. When I wear this thing out, I want a 372 with a 5. I'm gonna shut up. I can talk equipment all day. But again, the little Poulan 5020, he's good. He just, there you go. We done a lot today. And now I'm gonna get my Poulan and my Husqvarna 455 Rancher and call it a day. And I got my chaps on. I recommend you chaps and a hat. They don't have to be Husqvarna brand chaps or Husqvarna helmet. That's just what I like, and whatever you like is what you like. I don't care what brand it is. Just buy you some chaps. I always see people buy the, and I'm talking to my lawn care buddies. I'm not preaching to you. I'm begging you. Buy a smaller chainsaw if you have to afford the helmet. The helmet's most important. Let's face it. That is the number one. Not chaps. The helmet's the most important. So get you a helmet and then chaps and get cutting and get insurance if you're doing it for money. So this ain't a Husqvarna video, but I like it. And I've got that new one I bought, the 240. I just haven't used it. I ain't even put fuel in it yet. It's still in my house, and I'm going to use it. Don't worry. Husqvarna's meant to be out here on this tree and in the woods. This is his home, bro. Don't you know what his home is? Husqvarnas live outside. They don't live in the house. What happened? So if you're wondering why that wood's there, that's because I had to recut that. So don't be judging me thinking that's my cut. So what I'm going to do, people's faces is in there. That ain't gonna work. I can't do this and hold this camera, so I'll catch you guys later. Crap. Peace and chicken grease, bro. Get you a Husky. Yes, I said Husky.